This is going to be Ipsy Glam Bag Plus September 2022. I just filmed the Ipsy Glam Bag as well. If you haven't checked it out and you want to see what I got, go ahead and check it out. Oh my god, the first thing I got is like one of the things I was really excited for. I don't think I picked this. I think they picked it, but this is Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Oh my god. I love when I get brands that I really want to try. That's what gets me really excited. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this is. Look how cute. Beautiful highlighter. Nice blush. Can't wait to try it out. Feels nice. You get a nice mirror as well. So we're starting really good right now. Really good. This is gorgeous. A lot of things are out of the bag. I don't know why. Maybe it fell out, but this is the bag that we get for this month, and it's called You Got This. And again, like I said in my Ipsy Glam Bag, that means a lot to me, especially for this month, because I lost my dog. It means a lot to me. For some people, a dog is just a dog. For me, he was my whole life. He was my world, and it's just really something that's very hard to get through. Okay, he was with me for so many years, about 16 years, 17 years, and he was just my son. He was my son, and I lost him, and it's just that feeling is horrible. I miss him every day so much. But okay, so here it is. You Got This. Let's see what we have in here. Here's the theme again. You Got This, September 2022. I remember this when I looked at what I was getting. This is Full Ritual Magnetic Balm. Okay, let's check it out. And this, I guess, is cruelty free. Ooh, made in Italy. Interesting, interesting. I hope it's not this color, because how do you open this? This is interesting. That smells divine, divine, divine. I mean, I will have to see how this color actually looks like on my lips, but looking at it right now, I don't think that would look good. I can't even describe what it is. It's nice and fruity, not just like sweet, it's fruity. So amazing. This is another thing that I picked, and I picked it exactly because of what I was going through. It is a necklace, and it's La Vita. La Vita? Be true to yourself. Life is about the journey, not the destination. Follow your own direction. It will always show you the way. So, I love silver more than gold, but I like to have both. Okay, here you go. Looks nice. It feels like it's nice quality. Go ahead and put it on. Like, this necklace just really cute. Necklace just really spoke to me. Remember this Alley Oop? Is that the name? Alley Oop? Stack the Odds. Multi-face stacker. 3 cream shades to play. Highlight, blush, and contour. Sun-kissed. It's nice and peachy or coral. Made in the USA. Looks like a nice size. How cute is this baby blue? How cute. Let's see. Oh, look at this. So you just open it like this. It does come with a nice mirror. Always a plus. So this, I guess, is like a highlighter. This is a cream blush. Maybe this is a bronzer. Really nice, really nice. Plus the mirror. Hope these colors work. I just started getting into cream products. It's definitely doing better than my Ipsy Glam Bag. Let's see, do we have anything else? Okay, and this is the Let's hashtag Ace Time. Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. Exfoliating, hydrating, and soothing. I love anything like lip mask, lip treatment. Oh yes, you're speaking to me. Look at this. I actually received another lip mask in Ipsy. I forgot what brand it was. Was it NYC? Something like that, and it was amazing. Put it here. I don't think it has much of a scent. Some people will like that. Let's see. I'm so confused. Is there? I don't know if there is a scent, but if there is, it's very light and kind of like a bit of coconut vibe. But let me know if you got this, if I'm just going cuckoo here. It has a little bit of that coconut. It's very subtle. Complaint, that was a really good bag. That was a really good bag. And my new necklace, I love it so much. I feel weird though because I have like silver and then I have this, but I'm not going anywhere right now. It's okay. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you receive your bags. Are you happy with your bag? Did you also get this beautiful necklace? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.